deinen ganzen Körper drauf. Nämlich wenn du machst auf die Beine und ich mach den Körper, dass du wohl ein bisschen willst.
Kriegst du nicht.
Ja?
Kriegst du nicht.
Was guckst du jetzt? Die Beine oder was?
Beine hoch und Beine oben.
Ja?
Ganz kriegst du nicht. Hast du eben noch Futter.
And before we dig a trick, I have to find the contraceptive. You never know, she could be learning her man. Then at the same time, burning her man. Now when she burning, know what she holding. So ain't no loving good enough to give her while I'm a baby. And that's real up and real, then how we feel. And then you look up and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to give her up a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this. Drink quick that I might like a friend.
Well, I'm keeping it, I'm pretty good. But I tell I got killed, cause my people
Weißt du, wie ich da drauf tanze?
Jetzt mach mit Körper nur. Jetzt nur mit Körper.
At the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick, you know and I know I put some more funky shit. So that's in my collection, the selection symbolizes don't take a soap but don't show. If you do, you have no clue of what nigga my homie Snoop Dogg can do.
It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this.
And you ain't got no love.
Ich weiß, was ich mache.
Shit, to the next episode.
Bro, ich kann den Stand nicht.
On the neck on that ass, with a hell of a body.
Mach oben.
Getting funky on
Ich
the
kann nicht zu langsam für Dings.
it's the camo asshole, yes, I'm fresh and double on P. Eagle double G, my Eagle double G, you see. Show me what you like when it's time to wreck a mic. Pippin' movies like a grip like my name was Dolomite. Yeah, and it don't quit. I think they in the mood for another one of those G hits. So Dre, what up, we gotta give them what they want. What's that shit? We gotta break them off something. Yeah, it's gotta be pumping. City up on
That
this.
is where it takes place, so a natural attention. Rockin' with the dog pound.
Wow, wow, wow.
Dropping the funky tracks is making us set the distance long. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close, say you're down to get smacked. My little homie Snoop Dogg, he knows got my back. Never let me slip, and if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'm gonna figure to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if you wanna trip, I have to put the smack down. Yeah, then you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I take in that time. But I'm never off, always up till the record done. See you with me till you win, and the six they call long bitch. Put it straight together like my homie D.O.C. No one can do what's better like this, that, and this, and it's like that, and like this, and like that, and it's like this. Then we ain't got no love for love.
So just chill to the next episode.
Mach das Lied danach schneller.
Beine oder nur Füße?
Scheiße, Alter. Warte. Ich mach mal Rücklauf. Kannst nicht drauf tanzen, Alter. Du kriegst ja voll die Kratze.
Die Brustherrchen.
Was?
Stärker, kannst du mal, du kannst besser als Bagger tanzen. Ich hab Bock darauf, oder was? Darf ich ihn vorstellen, unser Bosner.
So, einmal dein Bein drehen. Fuß. Ich kann hier nicht rutschen mit den Schuhen. Der Hindi. Ey, ich kann so viel mit der Kleine.
Jawohl, auf das.
Ja, genau. können Sie meinen, ich bin behindert oder so. Du war Alter. Bin ich Kräfte. Ich will nicht, was ich machen soll. Ich mag grad schaffen, der bleibt mit
L'amour, sans légèreté, cœur n'oublie toi. Je veux faire l'amour avec toi, maintenant. True love, baby, light my fire.
Macht anders lieb behindert. Alter, ey, Augenschmerzen. Die Jacke, was hast du gesagt? Holy Scheiße. Vor allem.
Hier, Amigo Osman, darf ich ihn dir vorstellen?
Ey, ich bin nie.